Christmas, folks. Here at the Homestead, we are wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May all your wishes and prayers come true. Just remember the reason for the season, folks. Thank you all for being part of the Homestead family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be fixing a simple Christmas candy. Now I didn't think of this, but Mom did. On the Snickers pie, she said there that the topping there with like the chocolate and the caramel and the peanuts, she said that would just be good for just a regular candy. So we're going to try that today here. What we'll do, we'll heat up our chocolate chips, and then we still got some of this caramel dip left from the Snickers pie, and we got some peanuts here. We'll put the chocolate on the pan. We'll let it sit in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it set up first, and then we'll put the caramel on top and then the peanuts. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I got our chocolate heated up here. Now we're going to just put a little bit down on each spot. A little bit more than that. Like I said, what we'll do, we'll get a little bit on the pan, and then we'll come back after we let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, maybe a little bit more. We'll put the caramel on top and then the peanuts. Alright, we got our chocolate on our pan here. Now, we'll let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. We'll come back and put our caramel on top and peanuts. We'll be back here shortly. Alright, we've let them sit in the refrigerator for an hour. I've heated up the caramel just a little bit. That way it's more spreadable. Easier to get off a spoon. We'll just do that. And then after this, we'll put the peanuts on. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're just going to put some peanuts on top. This is super simple, super easy. 3 ingredients. You could even put M&Ms on top, or you don't even have to put peanuts on top of it. Alright, now we'll put it in the refrigerator just for a few minutes. Let the caramel get cooled off a little bit. And we'll be back taste testing. Alright, we got it plated up here. Mom, Dad, try one. Right.
Delicious.
I'll need some milk now.
Yep.
Delicious. Hey, ain't you go get one?
Yeah, I'll try one.
They're good, folks. Daniel's a little bit over here. Can't talk right now. They turned out great. I'll hold the camera here for him until he gets done.
Folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you again for watching.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon. Lord willing.